In this video, you're going to hold a band in your hand. Your right hand is reaching forward. You're going to have your right leg back. Your left leg is going to be forwards, but you're going to use the right leg to rotate and push into your left hip. So you're using the right hip to push forward, to push into the left hip. You'll see a left hip turn here. The left hand is going to pull back as I turn my torso to the left. So you're going to see this left trunk rotation. You're going to do your best to keep your head to the right side of your body, and you're going to keep your eyes straight. So you're going to be looking straight over your right hand. You're going to notice that as I turn my torso to the left, essentially my head is still facing straight, and my eyes should be facing straight ahead as well. Left hand pulls, torso rotates left. I keep my right hand reaching forward. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull.